50 fruits names in Hindi and English for kids. In English, apple. In Hindi, seb. In English, banana. In Hindi, kela. In English, orange. In Hindi, santra. In English, pear. In Hindi, nashpati. In English, mango. In Hindi, aam. In English, grapes. In Hindi, angoor. In English, guava. In Hindi, amrood. In English, papaya. In Hindi, papita. In English, melon. In Hindi, kharbuja. In English, fig. In Hindi, anjeer. In Hindi, ananas. In English, pineapple. In English, green apple. In Hindi, hara seb. In English, strawberry. In Hindi, strawberry. In English, watermelon. In Hindi, tarbooj. In English, dates. In Hindi, khajur. In English, peach. In Hindi, adu. In English, blackberry. In Hindi, jamun. In English, custard apple. In Hindi, sharifa. In English, pomegranate. In Hindi, anar. In English, tamarind. In Hindi, imli. In English, coconut. In Hindi, nariyal. In English, jackfruit. In Hindi, kathal. In English, kiwi. In Hindi, kiwi. In English, lychee. In Hindi, lychee. In English, sapota. In Hindi, chiku. In English, sweet lime. In Hindi, mosami. In English, plum. In Hindi, aloo bukhara. In English, gooseberry. In Hindi, awla. In English, jujube. In Hindi, bear. In English, black grapes. In Hindi, kale angur. In English, red banana. In Hindi, lal kela. In English, cherry. In Hindi, cherry. In English, mulberry. In Hindi, shehtoot. In English, water chestnut. In Hindi, singhara. In English, olive fruit. In Hindi, jaitun. In English, wood apple. In Hindi, katha. In English, cranberry. In Hindi, karoda. In English, mangosteen. In Hindi, kokum. In English, apricot. In Hindi, khubani. In English, blueberry. In Hindi, नीलबद्री. In English, star fruit. In Hindi, कमराग. In English, breadfruit. In Hindi, रोटी फल. In English, black plum. In Hindi, आलू बुखारा. In English, star apple. In Hindi, सितारा सेब. In English, yellow plum. In Hindi, पीला आलू बुखारा. In English, pine berry. In Hindi, pine berry. In English, white strawberry. In Hindi, सफेद strawberry. In English, salak. In Hindi, salak. In English, mandarin. In Hindi, kinnu. In English, falsa. In Hindi, falsa.